Hello everyone. Myself Toshmita Bose Sinha. I am an assistant professor in Satish Pradhan Gyan Sadhana College. Today I am going to present my presentation on probability distribution. So let's get started. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space of that experiment and denoted by S. An event is a subset of the sample space S. What is probability? If an event A is defined over a sample space S, then the probability of an event A is given by probability A equal to number of A upon number of S, where number of A is the number of elements in A and number of S is the number of elements in sample space S. It means number of chances of getting elements of A from sample space S. Rules of probability. Probability of A lies between 0 to 1. Probability of sample space equal to 1. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. Probability A complement equal to 1 minus probability A. If A and B are independent events, then probability A intersection B equal to probability A into probability B. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then probability A intersection B equal to null set. So, probability A intersection B equal to 0. So, probability A union B equal to probability A plus probability B. What is a conditional probability? Conditional probability denotes by probability of A upon B, that is equal to probability A intersection B upon probability B. Probability B upon A equal to probability A intersection B upon probability A. Random variable. Random variable. Consider the experiment of tossing two coins. It results into four outcomes: tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, head. Let variable capital X denotes the number of heads when two coins are tossed. Here we can see three different cases. In first sample point, tail, tail, there is no head gives X value equal to 0. In second and third sample points, head, tail, tail, head, there is only one head gives X equal to 1. Hence, we get a fixed real number x for every sample point under given condition. In this example, x takes values 0, 1, 2. Therefore, x set contains elements 0, 1 and 2. So that x is called random variable. Random variable. Given the definition, random variable x is a real number with each outcome of a sample space S of a random experiment, and it is denoted by capital X. Capital X sample space to random variable R. This is given a example, let X represent the difference between number of heads and number of tails when a coin is tossed 6 times. What are the possible values of X? If coin tossed 6 times, the number of heads can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then corresponding number of tails will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Capital X equal to difference between H and T. So X takes values H minus T. 0 minus 6 equal to minus 6. 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 6 minus 0 equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Here given the types of random variables. There are two types of random variable. One is discrete random variable. Another is continuous random variables. So here given the example of the discrete random variables are number of children in a family, number of stars in the sky, number of rainy days in a city. Example also given for continuous random variable. Temperature of a city in degree centigrade, volume of gas in cc, measurement of a rain in millimeter at a particular place. Probability distribution. If capital X is a discrete random variable